this world of whispered dreams, the threads of hope and things unseen. Through every storm, through every fight, we find our way back to the light. And when the walls come crashing down, we'll rise again, stronger somehow. With every tear, with every scar, we know who we are. In this dance of hearts, we fall, we rise, we speak with our souls. No need for disguise. We're not perfect, but we're real. Every touch, every word we heal. In the silence, in the storm, we're together when we're born. The days we lost, the nights we cried, we found each other on the other side. In broken pieces we learn to trust. Love is the bridge and hope is a must. And when the world starts to spin too fast, we'll hold on tight and make it last. Through every shadow, through every flame, we'll call each other by name. In this dance of hearts, we fall, we rise, we speak with our souls. No need for disguise. We're not perfect, but we're real. Every touch, every word we heal. In the silence, in the storm, we're together where we're born. World's not a promise that fades in time. It's the song that plays the endless rhyme. In your eyes I see my home. You are never alone. In this dance of hearts, we fall, we rise, we speak with our souls. No need for disguise. We're not perfect, but we're real. Every touch, every word we heal. In the silence, in the storm, we're together where we're born. With everywhere reborn. Love's not a promise that fades in time. It's the song that plays the endless rhyme. In your eyes I see my home. With you I'm never alone. In this dance of hearts, we fall, we rise, we speak with our souls. No need for disguise. We're not perfect, but we're real. Every touch, every word we heal. In the silence, in the storm, we're together where we're born. With every step we walk as one. Through the storm until the sun. In this dance of hearts we'll never break. Together we'll find the love we make.